This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the video with background noise and drop it onto the timeline. You need to select the clip so the audio tools appear. Tap once. Once selected, split any unwanted parts or trim silence so the noise reduction targets the right region. Make sure your device volume is reasonable and headphones are connected for accurate monitoring, because what you hear guides the adjustments you'll make next. Now use Capcut's audio panel, tap Audio, then choose Remove Background or Noise Reduction depending on your version. Apply the effect and slowly raise the strength slider. Start around 40 to 60% so voices stay natural. Once done, play the clip and listen for artifacts. Reduce strength if vocals thin out. If available, use spectral or EQ options to attenuate specific frequency bands. Cut persistent hum or hiss around the frequency you hear, and loop short segments to fine-tune. Finish by applying small restorative tweaks. Add a gentle EQ boost around 2 to 4 kHz for clarity, and lower low frequencies to remove rumble. Once satisfied, export a short test file and listen on different devices to confirm results. If you still hear artifacts or the voice is muffled, undo the last change and lower noise reduction, or split audio and run selective processing. If nothing works, consider separating audio or using a dedicated desktop noise removal tool for harder cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.